Hare Krishna. So Krishna is describing elaborately about the object of knowledge. So let's see one more shloka which describes the super soul, the object of knowledge. Shloka number 16. Bahir antascha bhutanam acharam charameva cha sukshmatvat tad avigneyam durastam chantike chatat. So here Krishna is saying that Bahir antaha cha bhutanam, the supreme truth exists where? Bahir, outside, antaha, inside of bhutanam, all living beings. Which living beings? Animate or inanimate? Here it's given. Charam, acharam, charam. Both, that is non-moving and moving. And sukshmatvat tad avigneyam. Since he is subtle, because he is subtle, sukshmatvat tad avigneyam. He is beyond the power of the material senses to see or to know. Durastam chantike chatat. Durastam, although far, far away, cha antike chatat. He is also near to all. So again, all these shlokas are just telling us that we cannot become supreme. Because what supreme can do, we can never dream also. Being very far at the same time near. Not having senses at the same time having senses. It's very difficult to comprehend also. But still, people have the audacity to say that I am God. So when someone reads Bhagavad-gita, we automatically become humble. We become grounded. And we understand that no, I am not gods. We are not gods, we are gods. So we are not G-O-D-S, we are G-O-D''S. We belong to God. Here it is said, in the Vedic literature we understand that Narayan, the Supreme Person, is residing both outside and inside of every living entity. He is present in both the spiritual and material worlds. Although he is far, far away, still he is near to us. So again, this is a very nice thing to understand, that Lord is there within all of us here as Paramatma. And outside, he is there in the spiritual world. He is there all the time. And also, in other way we can say that Lord is always there in the form of his energies, where we understand energy and energetic are non-different. So in this way, he is very near to us and at the same time very far. Another understanding of this is, Lord is very near to us, but then we are bahirmukh. We are looking away from the Lord. So that is the problem. So for us, it seems like Lord is very, very far, but he is always near to all of us. And then here it is said, because he is always engaged in transcendental bliss, we cannot understand how he is enjoying his full opulence. We cannot understand the transcendental pastimes of the Lord. He is completely, is completely blissful all the time, because his form itself is blissful. Anandamayo abhyasat. He is completely blissful. And that is the reason in his pastimes, he is all the time blissful and enjoying all his opulences. But then for a Baddha Jiva, for a conditioned soul like us, it's very, very difficult to comprehend what is that the Lord is enjoying. And here it is mentioned that we cannot see or understand with these material senses. What has happened to us? Now let's try to understand. As we have discussed before also, unfortunately, when we came to this material world, when we came in touch with the matter, we have become contaminated. Everything is contaminated. Our eyes, all the senses, hands and legs and everything, the entire body with the consciousness, everything is contaminated and covered. Then how can these contaminated senses grasp the Supreme Personality of Godhead? So it is said in Shastra, Atha Shri Krishna Namadi na bhaved grayam indriyai sevonmukhe hi jivhado swayam eva spuratyada. So can we capture the Lord with these contaminated senses? No. Atha Shri Krishna Nam Adi, the name, form, qualities and pastimes of the Lord cannot be captured with these blunt senses. Then what are we supposed to do? Sevon mukhehi jivhadu. We have to serve. We have to serve the Lord. When we serve the Lord, what happens? Another shloka it says, Sarvopadir vinirmuktam tatparatvena nirmalam rishikena rishikesha sevanam bhaktiruchyate. So when we use this rishika, the senses, in service of rishikesha, the controller of the senses, what happens? Our senses will become purified. And our senses, when they become purified, then we'll be able to perceive the Lord with these senses, with the purified senses. And actually the devotional service happens at the purified level only. So now whatever we are doing is an endeavor to become pure, to become a pure devotee. So when we become a pure devotee, then perceiving the Lord is just there all the time. As we discussed in the previous video also, that Brahma is saying, the ones whose eyes are anointed with love, they can take darshan of the Lord all the time, eternally, constantly, without any break in their hearts. So in this way we understand that how the Supreme Personality of Godhead, or in his feature of being the Supreme Soul, he is there with all these wonderful qualities, and he is the object of knowledge. So let's continue the same theme and try to understand more details about this object of knowledge that Krishna is speaking. So let's see that in the next video. Hare Krishna.